Stressing that the Apna Dal stands for social justice, Union Minister Anupriya Patel on Monday dissociated her party from Hindutva and all those issues and said it is ideologically different from the BJP. Muslim candidates are not untouchable for her party, the Apna Dal chief said 3 days ahead of the first round of the 7-phase Uttar Pradesh elections beginning on February 10th. Patel said, "Yes, we are ideologically different from the BJP. People are trying to ask me questions on Hindutva and all those issues. I dissociate myself from all those issues and my party does not do religious politics. We stand for social justice, that's our ideology." The Apna Dal, which has been BJP's ally in the last 3 elections in Uttar Pradesh, the 2014 and 2019 general elections and the 2017 assembly polls, has announced its first Muslim candidate this time. Haider Ali, the grandson of Congress veteran Begum Noor Banu, was the first candidate announced by the Apna Dal. He is contesting against senior Samajwadi Party leader Azam Khan's son Abdullah Azam Khan from Salar.